How to fix network issue in Wink app. First, try checking for your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Your problem should be fixed. Also make sure VPN is not enabled on your device. If still your problem is not fixed, try turning on the airplane mode for a while. Scroll down from the top of your screen. Tap on the option Airplane Mode. Wait for a while. After 10 to 15 seconds, tap on the option Airplane Mode again. Now wait for your phone to be connected to the Wi-Fi connection. Your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, try clearing the cache of Wink app. Launch Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Wink and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If not, uninstall the application and install the latest version of the Wink app again. After you install the latest version, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with your device itself. In that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After the device is restarted, open the Wink application. The network issue must be fixed. Like this, you can fix network issue in Wink app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.